Hello, welcome back to my channel. Been a long time since I posted. You know, been busy with life, school, unfortunately. But we're gonna be doing my everyday makeup tutorial today. Updated, I guess. And I'm gonna show you how to go from 0 to maybe a 7. Yeah, I hope. It's gonna be great. Anyways, stay tuned. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off with, can you see that? Oh, it's backwards. Primer. Because I don't know who told you that you don't need primer, but girl, you do need primer. So let's get that on. 2 bumps. And apply it like it's moisturizer because that's what it is. And I do both because I somehow believe that if you put primer on that, like, it stops going into your pores. But alright, and now while we wait for that to set in, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, those things. So for my brows, I'll be using Dip Brow. The goal here, guys, is sisters, not twins. One more time. Sisters, not twins. We're just gonna have to do with what we got. Alright, there's the brows done. 1,000 years later. So today, I'm using a tinted moisturizer by Smashbox called Halo. Cute. I love it. She's gorgeous. Put one. Instead of using a beauty blender. Put that shit on your hand. Take your beauty blender, or whatever way you prefer to put your makeup on. I always use beauty blender because I just feel like that's the safest bet, but here we go. Lather that on. Just kidding. I'm a big concealer girl anyways. Yeah. Cute. Like I said, stay tuned to the end and I promise you this will all come together. Anyways, how's everyone's Christmas break been going, or winter break? Good. Yummy. We're getting somewhere. We don't look as busted. I love that for us. Always set my under eyes because we don't want that shit creasing. But I slightly put it on. Right, you see that it's on, but I don't leave it there. I do not leave it there. Alright, bake. Oh, bake. Tap. Now I'm taking love that for myself. Now I'm taking some cream bronzer, and I try to put it, I saw this TikTok do like that, just put like kind of lips. It's like where you would like use a highlighter. So lips. And then on my forehead, on my nose, here. Go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna set my whole face with that Laura Mercier powder that I spilled everywhere. Great. Hopefully, like, how you know is when it's set is like when you don't feel as sticky anymore. I hate that feeling. I don't know about you guys. I love the dewy look. Trust me. Chef's kiss. Love it. However, I hate that sticky feeling. Anyone else with me? Like, it's, oh, so gross. So gross. Anyways, now that I'm all set, I'm going back with some powder. Bronzer in the Tarte Pro Glow To Go. Remember how earlier I was like, oh yeah, I don't like to wear a lot of makeup. And I'm doing it in the same spots. So that it like lifts my cheekbones. Lifts my whole face. You know, do some contouring. Yes. Better. We are looking way better already. I'm almost done. Quick. Next, setting spray. Love that. We gotta use this. She's that bad bitch. And this is where I get the whole like that dewy look back again, because now I'm all matte and gross. I know, I hate that. So I don't like to, because of my eyelash extensions, I don't like to spray it directly on me. So go like, oh yeah, one more time. Do I look funny? Bring it here. Now that I have some, keyword some, I'm putting on this highlighter thing in the Tarte Highlight To Go thing, the shade. Ew, don't mind my gross nails. And put them also up there. Up here. So that we get a nice glow to highlight these cheekbones that we don't have. Yay. We're already looking way better. And now for the final touches. I always feel like I did this a lot when I was like a 20-year-old, 19-year-old. I always just did like highlighter, like put like straight on. I did like the setting spray, and when you put the setting spray straight on your face, I think it's all wet, you know how it is whenever, and then you put your highlighter on there and your highlighter, bang. However, my mistake was not blending that in, so all of a sudden I just have this fucking line of highlighter each side. Ugh, gross. So now, this is how I blend it out. You take your blush, Milani, in Luminoso, and you also, key trick, apply it. Everything goes up there. Everything. Blend. Nice. See? Like, lift. Instant lift. And then, see that? Do you see that? I just love it. And I put on my nose too. Here as well, so I could try and get that sun-kissed look in the beginning of January. Now that we're done the face, I'm gonna do some of it a bit in my eyes. And for my eyes, really nothing too special. Today I use this shade called Birch. This is a sultry palette. I'm using the shade called Birch, this one up here. Just to like, because I hate like shininess from my oil, you know what I'm saying? So, cancel that out, put it all over the lid, looks nice and matte. This is the only place I like matte oil. Looks nice and matte. And now, for my favorite part is inner corner highlight, nose highlight. And this, like, this is the only time I'm thankful that I don't have nails. I mean, besides typing and stuff every day. But I find, like, picking up this pigment, it's called Pearl, in this palette as well. I've been using it for years. Like, literally, look how, like, gross it is. Hit pan. Anyways, so I've been using this for years. And, oh, it makes you stand out. Watch. I guess she's a different gray. And on the nose. On the cupid's bow. I don't know if you can see that, but like look at how much, boom, open up, eyes look bigger too. Wow, would you look at that? And last but not least, my lippies. This is the shade. I think it's like, yeah, Sandstorm NYX. Gotta do a little bit of overline. Alright. Show it to my non-existent top lip. I'm feeling like a bad bitch. And now, for gloss, okay, this Essence, I think it was literally $1. Anyways, I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart like years ago. I've yet to find something as good. Essence, literally $1. Uno, one. This is the best, like color wise. And I add a bit. Yeah. I just love the way that it blends everything together. And this final look. I'm gonna do my hair and hopefully we're a 7 now. Hopefully from a gross whatever I was 10 minutes ago to now. Wow, look at that. It's like I conducted some sort of magic. And now I am a 7. 7 from 0 to 7 real quick. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my first video back. And it means a lot to me, so stay tuned and you'll get a lot more content. I hope.